In this video, we're going to show you how you can download and install the Messenger app. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing. I'm using an iPhone for this demo, but the steps are going to work on Android too. Messenger makes it super easy to chat with your Facebook friends, and to get started, you're going to want to go ahead and open up the App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. From here, find the search bar and simply type in Messenger just like that and look for the official app. It should look something like this. Go ahead and open this page and then simply select download. You may see a cloud icon if you've installed it before. Once it's installed though, simply go ahead and hit open, and from here you'll be prompted to sign in with your Facebook account. Keep in mind, if you don't have a Facebook account, you won't be able to use Messenger. If you're already logged into Facebook on your specific device though, you can simply just tap continue, and then you can choose to save your login info and allow notifications if you'd like. But that's it, you're in. You can now start messaging your Facebook friends and seeing your existing chats. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a good day.